2016 Dodge Charger V6 3.6 liter. A baby Charger, but they still sound good. What we got done on it for you guys, it's not a Hemi, you know, but it's okay. Got stock converters there and there. Then it's got a Y pipe on it, set up into a single, you want to call it resonator, muffler. I call them mufflers, but everybody calls them resonators. Some people call them mufflers. Whatever you guys want to do. And then it Ys back out. It's 2.5. Ys out to 2.25. And we did 2 rear muffler deletes or resonator deletes, depending on your preference. There and there. We always like to keep the resonator or muffler in the middle. It just gives it a really nice deep tone. You can always swap it out for something else. Or you've seen probably on our channel where we true dual it also. We can true dual it also and give it a really nice distinctive sound. You heard it, I don't know if you heard it on our channel or not. We have a couple on there. But I hope you guys like it. So we'll let you guys hear it. It gives it a nice deep tone. Let you guys hear it in a second. Here it is. Sound decibels. Again. About 93 when it peaked. This is what we cut off of it, the 2 mufflers. All right, go ahead and back it up. Nothing drastic, just a clean sound for a V6. Yeah, I like it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Charger V6. Dodge Charger V6. What we got done on it for you guys, there's got the factory converters there and there. Then it's got 2.5-inch pipe all the way back into a single Y pipe right there from the factory. Then they did somebody did a mid muffler delete earlier in the year, and he had muffler delete, but it was too loud, too much drone inside. So we put him some Flow FX 71415 there and there, and he's gonna get a new diffuser for it. Then we're gonna put him some 5-inch tips on it, make it look really nice, change that stock look. But for now, it's just got the Flow FXs on it and a resonator delete. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please subscribe. What do you think? It's a lot deeper now. It's quieter. Again? Yeah, see, it's not even reaching 100 decibels. Again? It was like 115 before. Go ahead and back it up. That sounds so good. MagnaFlow MagnaPacks. Again? That sounds really nice. Let you guys hear on the inside. Dodge Charger V6. What we got done on it for you boys and girls today. There's factory converters there and there. Then it wires into a single from the factory, and he wanted something with a bite, so that's what we got for him. We put him a FLOWMASTER, part number 15430S, FLOWMASTER Outlaw. And then we did a rear muffler delete on this side and this side. There's a FLOWMASTER Outlaw series, 15430S, 3-inch in, 3-inch out. There's the muffler and 2 resonators we cut out, or 2 mufflers and resonator, whatever you want to call them, right there. We cut everything, and that's what it looks like after. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. It's an SXT V6, and like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. And there'll be a link in the description for the FLOWMASTER Outlaw that you guys see. I like it. Oh yeah, that sounds good. Wow, I like it for us. Here's sound decibels. Again. 113. Try to back it out. It sounds so good. Got a nice bite to it. What do you guys think? Let us know. Let you guys hear on the inside. Dodge Charger V6. There she is. FLOWMASTER Outlaw. Here it is at idle. That's good. Oh, that sounds good. 2014 Dodge Charger V6. Really nice car. Got nice wheels. He drove all the way from Atlanta to us, guys. So give him a shout out and say thank you for bringing his car to us. There's his factory converters there and there. Then it was single exhaust right there. You see it over there. And so we cut it off, cut the white pipe off, and true dueled it all the way back. And then he brought his own DYNOMAX race bullets off our videos. The 24 250s, we installed them for him right there. And right there, then continued it, and he had his straight pipe somewhere else a while back, and we just linked up into them. So right there and there. There's the resonator we cut off. There's the white pipe we cut off, and there's the other white pipe we cut off. So now it's true dual, before and after. Really nice car. There it is. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Dodge Charger Limited. Much better. Now it's open. There's sound decibels. Bro, 117. Yeah, I like that's awesome. Yeah. Go ahead. Helps, you know? Yeah. What do you guys think? It's gonna hang. It's got a nice stance to it. It's so loud, I love it. Let you guys hear on the inside. 2019. I like the stance of it actually. That's awesome. Another happy customer. Exposed. 2019 Dodge Charger GT V6. Still got the factory converters there and there. Then we got a factory X pipe. Then we did a mid muffler delete earlier this morning. Then he came back and said it's not loud enough. So we did a rear resonator delete there and there. And use his original tips. He's gonna come back and we're gonna do 6-inch tips, or no, 5-inch tips in its place, which will fill up that gap nicely. That's how you do how you straight pipe it. Mid mufflers, rear resonator delete. And I don't know where they went. They're usually there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. I think it's gonna sound phenomenal. Better? Sound decibels up there. Again? 113 on the sound decibels. That's awesome. Dodge never disappoints.